Are you tired of missing Jira notifications because the inbox is hidden behind a couple of extra clicks? I see this all the time. People miss updates, lose track of comments, and waste time digging through menus. In about 30 seconds, I will show you how to pin it right to your navigation bar so it is always one click away. All right, here is the plan. We will open your project, click the plus icon, find the inbox, and add it to your navigation. Super straightforward. Let us dive in. So the very first thing you want to do is open your Jira account. Just log in like you normally would. Now, I have tested this across a bunch of different projects, and it works the same every time. Once you are on your dashboard, you will see a column on the left-hand side. That is your project panel. And here's the thing, we need to be inside a specific project for this to work. So go ahead and click on any project from that left panel. It does not matter which one. Just open up the project you are currently working in. Now, once you are inside your project, look at the very top of the navigation bar. Right next to all your project shortcuts, you will see a small plus icon. It might be easy to miss, but it is there. Click that plus icon. This is the gateway to adding any new item to your navigation bar. It opens up a drop-down menu with a few options. From that menu, go ahead and select Inbox. Now, pay attention to this one because it is the key step. You will see your inbox pop up as an option. Click on it. This is basically telling Jira, hey, I want quick access to this. But we are not done yet. You will notice a blue button appears right next to the inbox option. It says Add to Navigation. Click that. And just like that, your inbox appears as a permanent tab at the top of your navigation bar. It is now one click away from every single page in your project. No more digging, no more missed notifications. Simple, right? Now you have your inbox right where you need it. It is a small change, but in my experience, it saves a ton of time over the course of a week. Thanks for following along.